Do I believe it will happen? No. But do I have any other choice? No. Hi, I'm Jess. Thanks for coming back to my channel. In today's video, we are playing bingo. I was watching Judy doing this bingo thing, so I wanted to give it a try too. If you want to see Judy's channel, I will link her video down in the description so you can check her out. So, without further ado, let's start. I am not sure how you play bingo. Probably there are some little differences in playing this game, but for my understanding, you choose a card and try to do the first bingo kind of thing. I don't know how to explain this, but so for this one, we will choose an eyeshadow palette instead of a card. And I am choosing this palette. And the reason for me to get this is probably the only palette that I have lots of colors and a lot of numbers, kinda. I mean, if we are dividing this to like 1, 2, 3, 4. And also there are lots of different colors and a nice range in here. So I feel like this palette will be the best one to play bingo with. So yeah, we are going with this one. And for the numbers, I will start like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, 10 and 15. I feel like going easy on this one. I mean, in my mind, I feel like it is better to choose 4 colors. I don't want an adventure with 5 colors. But at the same time, I feel like I can go with an extra color if I feel like the colors that I got aren't matchy enough. So we will see. But for now, I feel like 4 will be enough. Let's see. 5. From where do I start? This, like this way. Okay. And it is this one. 13. Which one? So to me, 13 is this one, which is fine to me. And yeah, I am fine with this one so far. Let's hope that I will get something matching. 8. 8 is this one. Let's see. Okay, I won't say anything until I get 4 of the colors. 10. This one? Am I? No, it's this one. Nice. Good one. Okay, so my only hesitation is that out of 4 colors, I only have 1 matte shade, and it is this dark color, which I can use it for the outer corner, but other than that, I have to go all shimmer, so there won't be any matte transition shades, and I am not sure if I can do that. I feel like I should continue randomizing until I get a number that is equal to a matte shade in here, but at the same time, is that cheating? What is this? It's like I'm teaching the... What was the name of this? Basic colors? Or how do you say? I don't know. Can you even see? The last one is a bit too light color that it doesn't show up on camera. But luckily this one has a little bit of that green undertone, which will match with this green shade in here. So it's not too bad. Okay, so I guess I want to pick a 5th color and just go with these ones and try to pull out somewhat good looking eyeshadow work. Eyeshadow thing. This one looks so bad. I can't feel it. I feel like I should try to do a cut crease. I mean, it's not happening with my eye shape, I know, but it is the only way that I can incorporate this yellow shade on my eye look. Do I believe it will happen? No. But do I have any other choice? No. I have a dry eye patch right in here, which makes it too difficult to blend the eyeshadows. I tried everything. I am putting creams, Vaseline, everything. It's not working for some reason. And I didn't even apply makeup for a long time, so I am not sure what causes this. I must say this color is really pretty. Just for the record, I don't know how to do a proper cut crease. So I don't know, since it's not something that goes well with my eye shape, I didn't try too many cut creases, so I don't know how it will turn out. So I believe right now I should cut the crease. Ugh, I hate using concealer on my eyelid. How do I do it? Look up. I don't feel like this is how I should do it. Like, it doesn't feel right. I feel like I should come a little bit closer for you to see what I'm doing. But again, I don't know what I'm doing, so... What am I doing? I am completely lost right now. I will pick up my concealer to a brush like this to make this place a little bit sharper and cleaner. I am going with the same brush that I used for concealer and picking up this golden shade. The thing is, it won't show up. It won't show up. See, like, it's gone now. Where is the golden? And then I will go back to this red shade and blend the green and red together. So, I guess that's all I can do. I am not sure if you can see all of the details. Also, my skin is breaking out so badly, so I'm sorry for all the things. I will try to show you this as much as I can. Oh, how did I forget? The last color for inner corner. And luckily, the green undertone in this one shows up more than the pink one. So it looks really nice together with this green shade. Let's finish the under eye and see how it looks. Why do I start to like this makeup? I guess that's it for the whole look. I will do this eye and also apply my eyeliner and be right back. And here's the end result. For some reason, I didn't like the makeup look after I put my foundation and everything. I mean, to me it was looking better without any makeup. Doesn't make sense, I don't know. But overall, I kind of like it. For the lips, I didn't want to go for a bold look because, I mean, the whole attention is on the eyes. So I didn't want to put something too much in here to make it like too strong, kinda. So I only applied a little bit of lip liner and Zuma, just a touch, like dab on the lips. And there's like a little bit of bronzer and also a touch of blush and also a slight subtle highlighter that is not for me usually, but I felt like it would be too much if I put a really shimmery highlighter. So I am fine with this. On this eye, I tried something different and applied the concealer only to the place that I applied the golden. So I thought maybe it would help to pop that golden more. But I feel like there is not too much change in these golden areas. But even though I didn't apply concealer on my whole eyelid, it didn't make too much of a difference. So maybe I don't need to use a concealer to do cut crease. I'm not even sure if I did a cut crease. I still don't know how do you understand if it's a cut crease or not. I don't know. I don't want to learn. Let me do a little bit of weird posing to show you this eyeshadow work. So please bear with me. Last words, okay. I feel like I did a pretty good job with the colors and created something a little bit of different and a little bit out of my comfort zone because I am not good at doing these cut creases and these different things. So in my opinion, it is an improvement for me, and at the end it didn't turn out bad. At least that's how I feel like. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Pinkish. It's not even showing up. Never mind. Red shade. Incorporate. Incorporate. Okay. excuse me, under eye part. Lower lash line. I keep forgetting this name.